So just yesterday I sold over 3,000 on Amazon. We seem to have many days similar to that at the moment, and this is how I did it. So just over 3.5 years ago, I simply got started. I had to take that leap of faith, invest a little bit of money, I think it was £1,000 into the business, and just start the learning process. And unfortunately, this is the part that you can't skip. No matter how many courses you do or how many mentors you've got, etc., nothing beats on hands-on learning. So that's the first thing I did. I started learning about the business. I then started understanding the basics of the business and started understanding what method I was going to do. What strategy was I going to do to sell on Amazon? That was the second thing. I then focused for around about a year and a half on one strategy. I didn't get distracted by other strategies. I fully focused on what was my method at then, which was online arbitrage, and I fully focused on it and started to master it in my own way. It then got to a stage where I thought that I actually wanted to move strategies because I thought that I gained enough experience. I then got into my second permanent strategy, which is what is my permanent strategy now, which is brand building. Now, I also do online arbitrage, but I didn't pick that up until later. Brand building is what I eventually got into. And guess what I did after that? I then decided to stick with that, and it's been around about a year and a half since I've stuck to that. Notice the theme. I get into something, I don't do it for a month, and then think that something's going wrong or, just give up because it's too hard. I stuck to it. I stuck to it for a long time and I made it work. I've now moved on to brand building. I've stuck to it a long time and I've made it work. As I say, yesterday with online arbitrage and brand building, we did over 3,000 just in one day. And we keep getting days like that continuously, and the business is building. I don't say it's to brag. I couldn't care less. I'd much rather not be sharing this stuff on here, but it's important. Next, I'm going to be doing a private label brand, importing products from different countries, and hopefully one day, I don't say hopefully, I will be one day exiting that brand for what I would consider a 7-figure sum. It's got to be. There's levels to this game, and the way that you do it is by sticking to something and mastering it for a certain period of time before you move on to the next level, and then the next level, and then the next level. People expect instant overnight results. Unfortunately, it doesn't happen like that. Make sure you follow Mr. Hayden on YouTube for detailed long form content around Amazon. I'll see you soon.